The error code FF on an LG fridge indicates a problem with the freezer or refrigerator fan compartment. This issue can be caused by abnormal functioning of the fan motor or the fan being locked due to ice formation around it. To fix this problem, a hard restart of the unit can be attempted by cutting the power supply for at least 2 minutes before reconnecting. Alternatively, defrosting the refrigerator can be done by unplugging the unit, removing all food in the ice bin, and leaving it disconnected with the door wide open for at least 8 hours. Towels should be placed in and around the unit to soak up water from defrosting. After all the ice has melted, the unit should be dried with a towel to remove any moisture. Then the doors should be closed and the unit replugged. If the issue persists after 48 hours, the appliance will likely require a repair service.